In this video, you'll learn how to add a signature in Zoho Mail. By following these steps, you will be able to create a personalized signature that will automatically appear in your outgoing emails. Begin by navigating to the Zoho Mail website. You can do this by typing the URL into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you should see your inbox along with various folders on the left side of the screen. Next, locate and click on the gear icon labeled Settings in the upper right corner of the Zoho Mail interface. This action will open a drop-down menu where you can access different settings for your email account. After that, in the Settings menu, find and click on the Mail option. This will direct you to the Mail Settings section where you can adjust various preferences related to your email. Once you are in the Mail Settings, look for the Signature option in the left sidebar and click on it. This section allows you to manage your email signatures. Now you will see an option labeled Update Signature. Click on this to begin creating or editing your signature. A text box will appear where you can enter your desired signature. At this point, you should also see a field labeled Signature Name. Click on this to name your signature, which helps in identifying it later if you create multiple signatures. Next, you can choose the position of your signature. Click on the Signature Position drop-down menu to select whether you'd like your signature to appear above or below quoted content in replies. After selecting the position, you can choose whether to place the signature above or below quoted content. Click on the respective options to set your preference. Then, you will need to configure the addresses associated with your signature. Click on Associate Addresses for new emails to select which of your email addresses will use this signature. Continue by clicking on your email address to specify which address will display the signature. A check mark will appear next to the selected address confirming your choice. Next, choose the primary option to set this signature as the default for your primary email address. This will ensure that your signature is automatically included in emails sent from this account. Now repeat the process for replies and forwards by clicking on Associated from Addresses for replies and forwards. This ensures your signature is included in all outbound correspondence. After configuring the replies and forwards, you may wish to associate a contact card with your signature. Click on Associate Contactor to link your contact information. Next, you will see a drop-down menu. Click on it to view available contact cards and select the one you wish to associate with the signature. Once you have selected a contact card, you can insert an image into your signature. Click on Insert Image to begin this process. A file dialog will appear. Click on Choose an Image to select an image file from your computer. Keep in mind that larger images may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. After choosing an image, click on Insert to add it to your signature. You should see the image appear in the signature editing area. Finally, click on the Update button to save all changes you've made to your signature. A confirmation message may appear indicating that your signature has been successfully updated. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.